Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a home button or link to your Shopify main menu. This is a simple yet important task that helps enhance the navigation of your online store, making it easy for your customers to return to the homepage with just a single click. A well-placed home button provides a seamless experience for your shoppers, which can help increase engagement and reduce bounce rates. Let's dive right in and go through the step-by-step process together. To start off, you'll want to open your Shopify admin panel, where all the customization options for your store are neatly accessible on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical panel that serves as your navigation hub within Shopify. From this list of options, click on the one labeled Content. This is your gateway to managing various aspects of your store's structure and presentation, from pages to blog posts, and of course, your menus. Once you're inside the content section, look for and select Menus. This will bring up all your current menu items. Menus are essential for guiding your customers as they navigate through your store, whether they're browsing products, reading blog posts, or learning more about your offerings. A well-organized menu allows visitors to find exactly what they're looking for, improving their experience and encouraging them to shop more. After you've opened the menu section, find and select the main menu. This is typically the primary navigation bar that appears at the top of your website, crucial for guiding shoppers through different parts of your store. Your main menu is often the first place shoppers look for essential links, like product categories, the shopping cart, and of course, the homepage. Within the main menu editing screen, you'll see a list of existing menu items. You'll want to add a home button here to provide users with a seamless way back to your starting point, your homepage. Next, click on Add Menu Item. This button is usually prominent and designed to help you expand your menu options easily. A small pop-up will appear, allowing you to input the specifics for this new menu item. In the space provided, type the word Home. This labels the button clearly, ensuring customers know exactly where clicking will take them. It's a simple but effective way to improve the usability of your site, especially for customers who may have navigated away from the homepage. With the name set, it's time to link it appropriately to the homepage. Shopify makes this easy by providing a drop-down menu that allows you to set this link. Select your store's homepage from this menu, ensuring that when someone clicks the Home button, they are taken directly to your homepage. This is a great way to give users quick access to your store's main landing page, especially on longer pages or when visitors are deep into your product listings. Once you're satisfied with your new addition, click Save. This action effectively publishes the changes, integrating the new menu item into your store's structure. After your changes are saved, it's a good idea to refresh your website's front page to confirm the Home button is displaying as expected. It's always good to double-check that the new link works and looks great within your store's layout. If something doesn't look right, you can easily go back and adjust it. And just like that, you're done! You've seamlessly enhanced your store's navigation with a functional and customer-friendly home button in the main menu. This small addition makes it easier for your visitors to return to your homepage with one simple click, improving their overall shopping experience. A well-designed navigation system can lead to increased customer satisfaction and a smoother journey through your store. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling on Shopify. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify store and creating a better shopping experience for your customers.